Dang, yeah, I can't. Not to drive in a dented up ZL1, bro. Hey, it is Smoovelifer time, and we are back with another video, you guys. It is currently 7 in the morning. Let me show y'all so y'all don't think I'm lying. It is currently 7:16 in the morning, and guess what I did, you guys, the other day? Y'all don't be mad at me. I know I'm starting off already with this, but guess what I did to Big Blizz, man, my ZL1. If you're a new viewer, go ahead and subscribe, but if you're already on the channel, you know who Big Blizz is and what Big Blizz is. I currently dinged up my ZL1, as y'all can see. So, give y'all a little story time on what happened. So, I was backing up into the garage, and I hit this. Is it right here? I hit somewhere right there. So when I was backing up, I was turning like at I don't know what angle, degree angle. And I ended up brushing up against the side post and like rubbing my whole side of my fender on the post. As you can see, it's not very noticeable from the side, but from the front, you can see the difference where the body line, you see how it is all straight and perfect, how it's supposed to be, and over here, it's all crinkled up like a chip. So, luckily, I got a lot of couple nice friends who know a couple good people, so they hooked me up, and I'm taking to the professional guy today. A professional paintless dent remover guy today, so we should be leaving in like the next couple minutes. I'll see you guys on the road. And you guys know how we start our days off with, man, a cold start, man. So let's get back to it. I think ferocious, ain't it? Nah, I'm lying. Let's actually get to the Big Blizz cold start. Spin the block twice like it ain't nowhere to park. Asking all these questions, but you must think you know that's good. If I was Will Smith, I would have. She guys were dropping off Big Blizz ZL1. I'm gonna show you guys that dent that my dumb self did. You saw it's like 4 inches. I meant to like.
Oh, it's a pretty good one.
Yeah, I meant to text you. It's like 4. It's like my pinky. The bad part of it is it's on this body line, like the.
I'll show you what I'm actually looking at.
And this too.
So, if you step back and look at it, use the lights on it, you can really see.
Yes, sir. Dang, yeah, I can't wait. I just can't wait to not see it there. Huh? I just can't wait to not see it there. Honestly, I'm so like, even driving, I'm like, do people see the dent on the side of the car?
Man, it's a nice looking car though.
Thank you, I appreciate it. My wife gave me shit. She was talking about some, it's not even that bad, you can't see it, you're overreacting. I'm like,
oh, it's a good dent.
Yeah, you can see it.
Something like that, you could probably live with a quarter size dent, but
yeah,
I'd be the same way.
And it's terrible because it was self-inflicted. I did it bagging into my garage, so. But yeah, I gotta give you my keys and all that. It'll probably take 3 hours, if so, or?
If it takes me less, I'll call you. There's one of my cars.
So you guys live in Nebraska area, you wanna get your dent taken out by a good person, man. This is Gene Watts, NH Extreme, Paintless Dent Repair. I like that, actually. I like the car, it's nice. I guess I give you my keys, man. We gonna miss my keys. I give you my keys.
You'll be all right, man.
Yeah, I'll be back in a couple of hours or so.
I'll shoot you a text and just let me know what's a good time for you to come back and get
Yes, sir. Let me make sure I didn't leave. Water bottle. Got my wallet. Yeah, I got everything. Perfect.
That's my kick.
Yes, sir. So, I can't wait to smile. You guys can't wait to see my face.
Well, you'll be smiling when you come back.
Yes, sir. But all right, man. Good meeting you, man. Oh, my bad. No, I'll shake your hand.
It's all good, man. You know, I've already had it, man. It didn't kill me, so.
Yes, sir. All right. Well, I'll see you later, man.
Right on. Thank you.
Thank you. No problem. Hey, man. You drop Blizz off, man. And my wife does not want to drive for some reason. Oh my God, she looks so beautiful. As you guys can see, man, the car is done. Gene Watts, man. Guys, I'll see you guys at his house. We're gonna see the finished product and let's see if he got the car looking perfect. I have no doubt in my mind that he didn't do a good job. I know for sure he did great because he told me he's been doing it for like 30 years. So I can't wait to see how good his work is, man. I'll see you guys at his house. I can't. Nah, you good, you're okay. Cannot wait to see a non-dented up Blizz, man. I was telling my wife, she looks so good in your garage. She look nice in here, man.
Right, it's almost made for the garage.
Yeah. Oh man. What dent? It's really not there. Wow. Oh wow. Dang.
Go look at parts.
Alright.
She's
Two
good.
of them today.
Alright, hold on. Have fun.
Perfect, man. So like actually like, cause I know I couldn't record you. I was gonna let you do your thing. I won't go in Peter.
You actually have to get to the back side of the panel.
Yes, sir.
And it's all hand massaged from the back side.
Oh, for real?
So it just depends on how good you are is how good something comes out.
Yes, sir.
So it's kind of like a tattoo guy.
Okay.
You got your good and your bad.
And you also, you kind of, cause this.
I buffed it out a little bit.
Yeah, I see. And also I can tell like from when I hit it, like these body lines didn't really
line up,
match up.
So
it kind of brought it actually like back to being perfect.
Yep.
Dang, man, I'm glad I came to you. Shoot, I was gonna pay whatever I had to. Dang, she looks good. I gotta take a picture in the thumbnail. I say, you want to hear it?
Well, my wife probably come home for lunch and she's this is her spot.
Oh, sorry.
It's all good.
Dang. Okay.
This car's got great body lines on it.
Yeah. I can't stop looking at it because like.
It's not gonna come back. It's
Yeah. Hopefully, if I don't do nothing stupid.
It won't come back.
You guys can see the body line. It's like. Yeah. I'll get more footage when I get home, man. I want to thank the guy. I want to take his day.
Anytime, man.
Yes, sir. Any dent, anything I have, I will call you or text you first. I promise.
Hail damage, everything. I mean, I fix.
Ooh, I don't want to speak hail damage into existence.
I'm swamped right now with hail, so.
Yeah. She's nice though, man. I appreciate it.
Normally, I'm like doing this on the weekends because I'm Monday through Friday.
Yeah.
All over the place, so.
I appreciate you taking the time out to do it.
You have to go somewhere.
Yeah.
I'll squeeze you in.
I appreciate it, man, because you didn't have to, exactly. From busy, man. Good work, man. But yeah, I appreciate you guys for watching, man. I hope you guys enjoy me undenting my car up for you guys. I know you're probably going to give me hate in the comments for hitting my garage, but hope you guys enjoy. If you're a new viewer, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. If you've been here, I appreciate you watching, man. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Smooth Life Ties out.